When I started this drawing, I wasn't just painting a cat. I was painting someone who quietly changed my life. This is Zeus, my brother's cat. Before I met him, I was afraid of animals. I couldn't even touch them. Then one day, after coming home from a vacation, I found a tiny surprise waiting for me. My brother had adopted a little kitten. His name was Zeus. He was so small and curious that he quickly found a place in all of our hearts. And little by little, he changed mine. My fear disappeared, and today I am a true cat lover. Zeus has one unforgettable habit. He sniffs everything, every bag, every shoe, every box, every visitor. Nothing escapes his nose. That's why we lovingly call him our chief sniffer. When Zeus was about a year old, he suddenly became very sick. We rushed him to the emergency vet and learned that his tiny heart had become enlarged. Since then, he has been taking heart medication every day. 3 years later, he is doing well, and we hope he will stay with us for many more happy years. It's incredible how one little cat can fill a home with so much love. This portrait is my way of saying thank you. Thank you, Zeus, for helping me overcome my fear, for teaching me to love cats, and for showing me that one little cat can change my heart forever. Subscribe for more art and heartfelt stories.